So the time of the year is early spring, and we are hanging out in Franklin, Kentucky. Believe it or not, we are still trying our best to get the repairs done from the accident that we had where we were sideswiped by the 18-wheeler 2 years ago.
Yeah.
If you haven't seen that video, Danny will put it in here somewhere.
I'll
Go
put it
back
at the end
and
of
watch
the video
it.
so
Yeah.
you can watch it.
So you can watch it. But we thought that this would be a good time to talk with you about water.
Yeah. If you've been RVing, camping, anything at all, you know that you never know what's going to come out of these water spigots. It's kind of like Russian roulette. One time we were out west, I think we were on the way to Alaska last year, and the filters got so rusty and gunky from just one campground. It's something.
Yeah, we were kind of amazed and had to change the filters, and
brand new filters were gone.
Yeah, brand new filters gone from one campground. It's kind of, you never know what's in campground water.
One time we had this water and it looked good, but once the water settled at the bottom, there was just this sediment gunk, and you could really, it wasn't just, is that something? You could tell it was
something in the bottom. The Beretta pitcher that I keep in the refrigerator, even after going through the house filters and going through the Beretta pitcher, it was yucky. It was brown on the bottom of the pitcher. It was horrible.
And of course, we've had it smell different, taste different, bad taste, chlorine taste, well water taste, just all kind of different things.
Sulfur.
Yeah,
really bad.
So we think we found a solution. We've been using Blu-Tech water filter, the Trio, for over 3 months now.
Yeah.
And we want to tell you a little bit about it today.
So I'm Lynn.
And I'm Danny.
And welcome to RV America.
The original RV America.
Now, if you look behind us, I think we're going to catch a sunset here in a few minutes.
You know, when you've had bad water, the past solutions have been these big, bulky filters. I had one that weighed about 20 pounds. You had to move it in and out. It got mucky and dirty on the mud.
Yeah.
As you set it on the ground.
That was a mess.
It was always nasty.
Yeah.
But we think we've got a game changer here. We've been using Blue Technology's Trio. It's a 3-filter system for about 3 months now. And we think it's something that can help you because we're really enjoying it.
We are always searching for good water.
Yeah.
Because we have pets, and we have actually had the water from our rig make our pets sick before.
Yeah.
Believe it or not, before we started searching out water filtration systems, when we were just using the little blue thing that goes on the water hose. Well, I don't know what, I'm sure you know what it's called.
It's just a filter.
We literally had it make our pets sick in our rig.
Yeah. So we want to tell you a little bit about this. So we're going to jump into that now. So do me a favor. If you've seen some nasty water or some issues at with the water at a park, put that down in the comments. I really want to hear about it. One of the first things I want you to notice is the size of the Trio. Most water filters have 10-inch filters, and that wouldn't have fit. I don't have 5 more inches right down here to put that. I would have had to move it somewhere else, and I wouldn't have been able to put the things in here that I want to put in here, such as hoses and other things. Everything would have had to be rearranged. I can put it under my water system, and just easy mounted with just 2 screws, and it's stainless steel. But I love that it does not take up much space. We'll talk more about the water softener in another video, but I've got plenty of room to put that and move that around and still have room to put things. I've had systems before that were big and bulky, took up a lot of room. I could not put anything else in my water bay, such as hoses or adapters or anything like that. Another thing that I've noticed is the weight of it. I've had systems that were close to 20 pounds and took up a lot of room. This, with these 5-inch filters, even though it's stainless steel, a better quality than my previous filters in the previous rig, this is only a little over 6 pounds. So it is light, it's easy to mount, and easy to put in places out of the way. Now, if you have a small rig, a van, Class B, notice that this is only about 11 inches wide, so you can put it in most rigs, and it has a small footprint, doesn't take up a lot of space. And another thing I like is that it is mounted. I've had systems that you had to put outside into the mud, into the muck, in the dust, and then put it back in here. But this is permanently mounted. It is quick and easy. We had a freeze. We came back from Florida in March in Tennessee, and it rarely ever gets freezing in that time of year in Tennessee. But it got down to 21 degrees. So what did I have to do? Is just pick it up with one hand, take it off the wall, undo some quick connects, and carry it inside so we wouldn't have any issues with freezing of my system. So I love that it's wall mounted, but also I love that it's easy to take off the wall in any kind of situation. Now, our previous systems did not have quick connects. We were able to get quick connects. Make sure you get quick connects. These are high quality, look like they're gonna have longevity with them, and they're stainless steel just like the rest of the system. But I'm loving that we have quick connects. You're not gonna have to unhook it because the system's set up, but like I said, we had 21 degrees weather, so we unhooked it and carried it in. So the size of it, that's important, really important. But the reason we wanted it was because of the 3 filter systems. It is amazing that the small size of our system, but still have 3 filters, and each one has their own job. Let's look at them. You'll notice the longevity filter. It's the filter that takes care of the sediment, you know, any of the sand, the rust, the dust. It will get rid of it, any of the silt. As we said in the opening, we have been at campgrounds that have had this sediment in it, and you don't want that in your glass. And we've had it in our glass before. We should have took video of it, but just trust me, you do not want it. It settled it to the bottom and nasty. But what that does is take out all the big stuff so your other 2 do not get clogged up. Our second phase is 0.2 microns. If you look at some of the RV filters that are out there, they're 20 microns. So this is about 100 times better. That gets 100 times smaller particles out of your water. So it's designed to catch those things that you definitely don't want ending up in your drinking water. And this is something Lynn and I really like, is tasty. You know, you've been in some campgrounds that all these waters taste different, taste rough, some taste rusty, some taste just bad. So what we love it is this tasty filter. It's a coconut shell carbon filter, and that's what makes the water taste great. It removes the pool smell, the chlorine. It removes any kind of weird odor and taste out of it. So we love the tasty filter. Of course, every setup's different, every need is different, and that's what we love about Blu-Tech. Is this trio is perfect for us, perfect for most setups, perfect for large and small rigs. But I did want to tell you that there are other systems that you can see on Blu-Tech that we'll roll across here. Some will be more portable that you can take in and out. There are even some with UVC systems if you're doing a lot of off-grid fill-ups from questionable sources. But like I said, I think the trio is good for most people, but check out some of these other systems.
So something that is really important to me is good water that doesn't have all the chemicals and stuff in it. We have literally had sick animals because of poor campground water. Sometimes you don't think about that, but it's really important to think about it. We can now give them water right out of the faucet. Keeps us from buying water, bottled water, which we've had to do a lot in the past. We can give them water right out of the faucet, and we can drink it ourselves. Not only does it save us because we don't have to buy bottled water, but it's healthier for us. Very good. Good water kind of has a domino effect because we are not soda drinkers. We don't buy tea. We don't even make tea. We drink water and coffee typically. Danny loves Crystal Light, so we keep Crystal Light in the refrigerator. Having good water makes that taste better. Also, it's a domino effect. I get better tasting coffee when the water itself is better.
At the end of the day, good quality water is worth the investment.
It is, and we try not to buy bottled water, but also this is a great job at keeping our plumbing and our pipes clean in our RV.
Yeah, less sediment in our coffee pot. So if you're looking to upgrade your water filter system, we think the Trio by Blu-Tech is really worth looking at.
Yeah, and Danny will put a link below in the description with a link directly to the product. And then also there's a discount code.
Yep, look for a code down below and look for that link down below.
If you haven't already done it, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be sure to catch the next video. Until next time, God bless and many safe travels.
And go RV America.